Hey there, welcome back. Well, today we're having a look at an upgraded version of the SONOFF millimeter wave sensor. Now, just to be upfront, SONOFF did send this device to me free of charge, but this is not a sponsored video and they have no control over what I'm about to say. The SONOFF SenseGuard Presence Core is a 24 GHz Zigbee human presence sensor selling at $24.90 versus the original version, which was a 5.8 GHz microwave radar at $17.90. This device connects via Zigbee, so you will need a gateway. It offers 7 individual detection zones, which can individually be controlled. It features a self-learning interference system where it will detect objects on the room and cut those out from giving you false triggers. For Home Assistant, it can be connected via ZHA or MQTT. Along with the sensor, we get a base, a USB-C cable, and some mounting hardware. The sensor sits magnetically on its base, so you can create almost unlimited angle options at which you want to turn this device. It has a USB-C on the side for the power, and on top of the device we have a single pairing button, which also has a LED inside for giving you some indication. And then on the front we have this plastic opaque disc. Once you power it up, you'll see that the red light will start flashing, telling us that it's in pairing mode. Initially, I paired it with Zigbee to MQTT, so you can see that it is natively supported. Having a look at what it exposes, we've got our illuminance, we've got our occupancy showing as occupancy at the moment. As you can see, we can adjust our occupancy timeout over there, and then we have the 7 zones over here, so we can select which zones you would like it to detect the presence within. We then also have an illumination calibration offset, as well as fine-tuning the sensitivity for the radar level. We have our spatial learning button, and we also have a link quality down the bottom here. I found that response times on this device were within about a second of getting within the zone. When it came to holding presence, it is certainly better than the last version, but they are upfront about the fact that if you're lying still, like sleeping, or even when I was lying still on the couch watching television, I found that it does eventually time out. Next, I paired it with ZHA to see what we had over here. Within ZHA, we have illuminance, we have detected or not detected, we have the occupied to unoccupied delay, and that's about it. So in summary, you're getting a pretty quick response time on this device. You are certainly getting presence holding, but there is a limitation, and you are not getting the level of granularity of control that you would have on some of the more expensive sensors. Anyway, that's all for me now. Hope you've enjoyed this content. If you have, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.